So question number 5. Put 58 stamps into 7 groups equally. How many stamps are there in each group and how many stamps are left over? Once again, 2 questions, so 2 sentences to answer these 2 questions. So here 58 divided by 7. So 7 times 8 equals 56. So 58 minus 56, we have a 2 left. So 8 is our answer with a remainder of 2. So there are 8 stamps in each group and 2 stamps are left over. Question number 6. 48 rulers are put into some boxes. Each box has 6 rulers. How many boxes are needed? So this is quite straightforward. 48 divided by 6. 6 times 8 exactly equals 48. So we have 8. 8 boxes are needed. So the homework for today will be the other page for the integrated exercise 3 that we worked on Tuesday. And there will be 4 long questions, so you just have to work on your textbook. There's no need to write those on Math A or Math B. So question number 10. Each chicken wing costs $8. Dad wants to buy 8 chicken wings. How much should he pay? So be really careful here. We are not working with division. So we know the cost for each chicken wings and we want to buy 8 chicken wings in total. So this is a multiplication problem. So be sure you write the horizontal form first, answer, and the sentence. So for the sentence, you should write something like, he should pay the answer and then the unit here, he should pay. So, and also you have to write the column form. Question 11. There are 35 books. Put 9 books into each box. How many boxes are there? How many books are left? So here, I want you to pay attention. When you see this kind of question, they are not asking you to put all the books inside the boxes. So they're expecting like some remaining. So in this case, we just you just simply have to work out the question. So you wouldn't have to add 1 to the answer in order to put all the books into like the boxes. Otherwise, it will be asking you like how many boxes that you need in order to put all the books inside the boxes. So be really careful like to recognize the questions, like which one like are asking just like for you to do the simple calculation. So you so for the number of boxes, you be answering with the quotient, and then here, how many books are left? You answer these questions by telling the remainder. So simply 35 divided by 9. Here, answer here, and then for the sentence, there are 2. So how many boxes are there? So you simply change the order of the 2 words, are there, to there are. And then you write the answer, and then the units will be boxes. And also you have one more sentence. So how many boxes are left? So once again, you write the answer and then the unit. And here you work on the column form. Question 12. There are 44 cakes. Each box can hold 6 cakes. At least how many boxes are needed to hold all the cakes? There, you need to pay attention to this one. Here, they need to, as I said for the previous questions, they want you to add 1 to the quotient in order to hold all the cakes. So here, after you have worked out your quotient or the answer, whatever that is, you need to add 1. you need to add one more box in order to hold the remaining cakes. So for the sentence, you only need one sentence, and so you tell us the answer here, and then boxes are needed to hold all the cakes. So for the answer here, it will be the quotient here plus 1. You need that one extra box to hold the remaining cakes. And then you put this quotient plus 1, whatever that is, over here to answer the question. But remember, for the answer here, you simply tell us whatever that is plus the remainder. So I'm not gonna work out the actual calculation. So here, for the answer on the second line, you will put the quotient here without adding the 1 to it over here, and then you'll put the remainder here. Question 13. Laura wants to join a half-year course. There are 24 lessons altogether. How many lessons are there each month on average? So here we're talking about month, and half year, that means there are 6 months. So among the 6 months, and we need to do 24 lessons. So how many lessons are there on average? So on average. So on average means the number of lessons that we usually do each month. And the way to find this out will be to divide 24 by 6 in order to find out the number of lessons that Laura will be doing on average each month. So it can be that sometimes she's doing more lessons on each month than the other months. But then on average, that means the number of lessons that she usually joins each month. So it will be 24 divided by 6. And then when you answer the questions, there are the number of lessons Okay, I want to give you one little example to help you to see the definition for on average. Let's say here I take, let's say there are 2 months here, and then I'll be doing, let's say the first month I'll be doing 1 lesson, and then the second month I'll be doing 3 lessons, let's say. So altogether for these 2 months I'll be doing 4 lessons in total, right? Okay, so on average, 4 divided by 2, on average I'll be actually doing 2 lessons each month on average. So I may not do the exact number that when I find out on average I'll be doing 2 lessons each month, but it may not be the exact case that I'll be doing 2 lessons, because first month I'll be doing 1 lesson, and then the second month I'll be doing 3 lessons. So that's it for today. I'll see you next week. Goodbye.